In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Coinbase on your PC or laptop, providing a simple, easy to follow guide for 2025. Whether you're new to using Coinbase or just looking to access it from a computer, this guide is designed to walk you through the process seamlessly, ensuring you can start managing your cryptocurrencies effectively. To begin, open your favorite web browser on your computer. We recommend using browsers like Google Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge for the best compatibility and performance. Once your browser is up and running, navigate to the website by typing in the URL bar www.coinbase.com/wallet/downloads. It's important to ensure that you're visiting the official Coinbase website to protect your information and avoid any potential scams. On this page, you'll notice that there isn't an option to download Coinbase as a standalone application for your PC, given that Coinbase is primarily designed as a web-based service. However, you can still access the full functionality of Coinbase by using a browser extension tailored specifically for managing your wallet and the plethora of digital currency transactions. Look for the option to download the browser extension on this page. Each major web browser has its repository of extensions or add-ons that enhance functionality, so selecting the right extension is crucial. Click on the link provided, which will direct you to the extension store for your specific browser. Once you've landed on the right page for your browser's extension, locate the Coinbase Wallet extension and click Add to your browser. A prompt will likely appear asking for confirmation to add the extension. Confirm the action to start the download process. The extension will install automatically and usually appears to the right of the address bar in your browser for easy access. After installing the extension, click on its icon to open the Coinbase Wallet interface. It might prompt you to sign in using your existing Coinbase account credentials or create a new account. If you're new to Coinbase, creating an account will involve providing some basic information, which Coinbase will use to secure your account and verify your identity, complying with security standards. It's critical to remember your login credentials and ensure you're using a secure password to enhance your account's safety. Once logged in, explore the features and tools available within the Coinbase Wallet extension. From sending and receiving cryptocurrencies, checking real-time market trends, to managing your portfolio, the extension offers a comprehensive experience that closely mirrors the mobile app, but on a larger screen. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully set up Coinbase on your PC. This allows you to monitor and manage your cryptocurrency transactions efficiently from the comfort of your desktop. Make sure to check back for any updates and improvements that might be introduced to the extension to ensure you always have the best experience possible. Happy trading!